And again, Guido Markowitz, the ballet director of Pforzheim, a small town next to Stuttgart, invited me to be stage designer and video designer.
That as well, yes.
For his new piece, Four Seasons.
And we're doing the Fourth Season not from Vivaldi, we're doing it now from Max Richter, so the very contemporary modern version. And for that he did amazing visuals. What you see in the back now, if you have a look there, you see them a little bit running, yes. And we start in a really burned world. And then we go back to the last 4 seasons of the year.
If you want to see more of this stuff from us and other stuff from other theaters and stuff, subscribe to this channel and definitely visit
Pforzheim. We see us on stage.
Of course, I'm gonna link everything, his Instagram and everything below, so you can get in contact and watch those pieces. The material we are using here is called Contra H, Contra H in German, because Gerriets, the supplier of this material, is a German company, and it's actually just fibers glued together with some glue. I can't tell you what it is because this is the secret of Gerriets, but this is Contra H and it's pretty old. The material has been on stages for years and years as an effect material. We're now going to use it as a holographic projection screen. One fascinating fact about this material is that it is really opaque, so the fibers are opaque. If I put light behind it, it doesn't fall through like with a normal tool. So if I project on it from the other side is fully visible. Let me show you in real time. Well, that's only part true, because of course the light falls through those holes, but only through the holes. Everything else is opaque and forms a pretty solid separation between the space behind, which is in this case lit by some tubes, and the space in front where the projection hits your surface. It is these fibers that are glued together with some, glue or adhesive, and then we painted it in matte grey so the light wouldn't jump off, because the other side is a little glossy, and well, you can't really see it now. Let's at this point acknowledge that this video is not sponsored by Gerriets. We paid for the material, full price, but it's a great material. So I have every right to say it's great, because I would tell you if it sucked, and it doesn't. The German viewers of this channel might recognize the pattern from their most famous crime series, Tatort. Recognize it? The eye? Characteristic structure of the material is caused by the way how it is manufactured, obviously. It is a very long strand that is being laid out on the ground manually, and then you pour resin over it. Where there's the fiber, there is obviously material, and where there is no fiber or resin, there is a hole. This causes the material to be absolutely opaque when you light it from the front, and you can't really see lights from the back through the material. And this makes it perfect for projections. Oh yeah, and sorry, that in the front here is a classical Gobelin tool.
Bye.